Hello, welcome to the weather update, local weather update. It is quarter to 10, May 24th, 2022, 2023, I should say. And we have, you see all that haze there. That's the smoke, but look on the other side of this cold front here, and you'll see there's a lot less smoke. I still see some, though. I still see some right here. Still be a little bit, but a lot less. It'll be barely noticeable tomorrow, unlike today, which was very noticeable, and I'll have a video of what it looked like actually today. As the sun was setting. It was pretty hazy, once again, with all this thick wildfire smoke aloft. But you could see definitely improving conditions. This is the cold front right here. Cold front is moved through. We got a few showers that came through. Maybe some thunderstorms up to the north. Let's go look at... and there were actually a few strong storms with that, too, but we didn't get any of that. All we got was like a gust front with some rather threatening-looking clouds. And I have a video for you that should be up really shortly. So looking at ice slip here, the conditions for ice slip today, 70 was the high, normal high 71, near normal. Low was 46, though, so that put us 4 degrees below normal. Central Park, 77, a lot warmer inland. But they were 4 degrees above normal for the high, but 4 degrees below normal for the low. So that puts them right at normal for the month. So gives you an idea. And again, depending on where you were today, kind of depending on what kind of conditions you had. Let's pick another satellite loop here. Let's do a Great Lakes one. Should have a Great Lakes satellite view. Yeah, perfect. So this will kind of show us, again, the cold front and much less smoky air behind it. You can see there's really not much smoke to see at all over here at all. There's a little bit there, but not very much compared to what we've had. So let's go to the MODIS. No, I didn't want to exit that. I already have the MODIS up here. Let's go to the MODIS satellite view here and look at this. Again, you can see there's that smoke, clear sky to the north, and can't really see too much over here because there's cloud cover and maybe some more rain, maybe getting up to the northwest territories, but I'm just focusing on our area right now just to show you, again, much clearer skies behind this front. Looking at and you can see frost and freeze warnings in effect for the Great Lakes because this is going to be a cold air mass coming through. Yeah, more severe. We spoke about that yesterday. More severe weather in Texas. But again, this is a local weather update, just focusing on our area. You can see the winds have shifted to the north and are pretty gusty, actually, right now. So let's look at what the day was like at Islip. 59. The dew point is up to 54, but we have a north wind at 15 miles an hour. We'll show you the front, actually, as it came through. So much of the day at Islip, we had hazy skies, not many clouds around, but just very hazy skies due to the wildfire smoke. You can see southeast winds there, pretty decent sea breeze there. It was much warmer here in Mineola. So let's look at our map of our highs. You can see the winds have picked up now from the north quite substantially. So let's look at our highs for the day. And we'll go. And I just want to look at Lakehurst, too. Lakehurst is probably a lot. That's McGuire. That's not Lakehurst. This is Lakehurst. So Lakehurst 66. They're starting to drop. It's quite warm over there. Much warmer in Jersey. So let's put the highs on the map. So you can see highs generally around 70 degrees, much of Long Island, but as you get to the North Shore, Suffolk, low 70s. Here in Nassau County, it was more like mid-70s, and, yeah, upper 70s perhaps. 79 being reported at Carl. I don't know if it was quite that warm, but it was substantially warmer here versus the South Shore. The city, they got up to 77, I think, or 76. Mid-70s in Jersey. At the shore, though, there was a breeze. You can see that. But inland, Philadelphia near 80 degrees, a lot warmer inland. But there was a breeze. It looks like a breeze in Toms River. We only got up to 71 today. More of a breeze there than in Mineola today. Sometimes that happens. Let's look at the lows. Mid-40s, pretty much, except for 35 in West Hampton. It was pretty chilly. I guess we got some decent radiational cooling last night, and I was able to give the AC a break last night. But it's going right now. Hopefully we'll give it a break the next couple of days. But in this place, this is a hot place. Lows around 40, it looks like, west of Toms River, and in mid-40s in Toms River. Same for North Jersey. So let's go look at Wonderground now. Just look at a few more sites. And Also look at precipitation too as well. So you'll see here. So temperatures generally in the 50s. Right now, again, upper 50s. So let's pick up the Mineola site, which is 58 right now, and we'll take a look and see what the day was like there. And we'll compare that to the South Shore. So 58 and the high 76. So, yeah, warm pretty much throughout the day in the 70s. Didn't really drop until the afternoon. Now, if you were in Babylon, it was a different story. Because in Babylon, it was a lot cooler. So let's go with... I'm going to go right on the water. We'll do this. We'll do this West Islip Station here, right? I'm sure they were probably a lot cooler than we were. Let's see. Yeah, they didn't even make 70 degrees. Yep, much cooler on the South Shore. No surprise there. No surprise there. And we'll go and we'll look at Rockville Center too. Let's do Merrick. Let's see what Merrick was. So 70. There's something wrong with that thermometer. I don't think it got that warm. I don't think there's something. Some people don't have the thermometers properly shaded. Let's pick this one here. $73. Yeah, it's a little more. So they got up to 73, and then they got more of a breeze in the afternoon. Much cooler there. And as we head out east, we'll go and look. Well, we have Islip, which is a fair barometer of how it was in Suffolk. So it's cooler in Suffolk County, not surprising. The sea breeze makes it further inland. You're further away from Jersey and further away from the city, and you get more of a breeze out there. But the South Shore of Nassau and Suffolk have a very similar climate. Versus Central Nassau is more like Queens. All right, let's go to the models. Close this up. All right. So models, high pressure built in. We have nice weather. You'll notice that there is a tropical system that we're going to talk about a little more tomorrow night. You can see it's going to start getting going tomorrow. And the big high protects us from that. We could have our first tropical storm making landfall in South Carolina. But high pressure is protecting us, keeping our nice weekend dry. And we should stay dry until we get maybe towards Sunday or Monday. But you can see it's pretty much keeping the rain away from us at this point. So let's go to the HRRR model, or should I even bother? We'll look at the HRRR model anyway. And I will look at the smoke model as well. So that rain moves out of here, and that's it. We're not going to deal with any more rain at this point. Let's go to the dew points and wind flow. So I'm just going to cover tomorrow, I think, all right? And then you can see dew points drop tomorrow. See that? They drop. We got north winds. Looks like maybe a sea breeze tries to get going maybe in the afternoon. Friday, again, a light northeast winds becoming east and then southeast later in the afternoon. Let's go look at... So here's tomorrow. And again, temperatures are going to struggle to reach 70. It's going to be a lot cooler tomorrow. At night, temperatures are going to drop into the mid-40s. For Friday, same deal. Temperatures around 70 degrees. Very pleasant outside. And again, let's shift now to the southeast. I'll look at that tomorrow night because we have until Friday. The storm's going to develop Friday, so we'll have more information Friday. We'll talk more about it. I'm just covering the next couple of days. I'm not even going into the weekend at this point. Let's go to the RGEM. That's why I say it's a local weather update. It's a little abbreviated. So this is the RGEM here. Clouds pushed to the south. We're mostly sunny tomorrow. Maybe a scattered high cloud or two, maybe. And then for Friday, we're also mostly sunny. You'll see cirrus in the south trying to push up. But you see that high kind of just deflects it. And even Saturday, we should have plenty of sunshine. This is the RGEM. We can look at the GFS, which might be a little different. But it's a low-resolution model. That's the problem. But you'll see plenty of clear skies for tomorrow, it looks like. Now we'll go and look at the smoke situation. Let's go to this. I didn't put this up on here, but all right. So let's go. This. Here you go. So there's that cold front pushing it in. There's still going to be a little bit of it around, I think. A little bit of it. But it should be a lot less. We should actually see a blue sky tomorrow compared to the fairly hazy white sky that we had today. I want to roll this back to the 15Z run here on the smoke. And this gives us a little more. We'll see if it eventually returns. But right now, it looks like it's staying away. There's just a little bit of it around, but nothing like what we've had. So that's some good news. We will be getting a break from the smoke, a substantial break from the smoke. But you can see it's generating a lot of smoke over Northwest Territories because we're the fires. Still got a lot of fires going in Northwest Territories, extreme northern Alberta, and extreme northern Saskatchewan at this point. So that is going to wrap up this local weather update. You can see I'm a little tired. Have a good night.